1571, when the Turkey emperor want to take away the whole Europe and other places, they had a big soldiers and had a war battle. But as Christians in the European Union had very less soldiers, but still all of them took the rosary and prayed to Blessed Virgin Mary, and they won the war. That's what, after years, Pius V made that victory, the day of the victory, Our Lady of Rosary, dedicated for Our Lady of Rosary. Today, even today, we celebrate on October 7th, the feast of Our Lady of Rosary celebration. That's the history comes. When we come to the year of 1809, we all of us know the French Revolution have taken place. At the time, Napoleon wanted to take over whole Europe from France to other places. Later, he wanted to take away the clericalism, and he captured the monasteries and all the Christian places, and he entered into Italy and Rome, wanted to take away the Catholicism and Christianity. Finally, he arrested, captured our Pope Pius VII. Then later he was 5 years was in the prison. Then all Catholics, Christians were taking the rosary and praying to Mother Mary. And later, after 5 years, and Pope Pius decided, when I come out of the prison, surely I'll make this day for the day of our Mary. Mary help our Christians. Then he was free, he got freedom, came out. In 1814, he came to his own place, and he was head of the whole Catholic Church. And in 1815, he made the feast of Assumption. That day, he made this day as a Mary help of Christians. My dear friends, when we come to today's gospel and to the today's feast, Mary was a true disciple. She was a true missionary to proclaim the kingdom of God. So let us join our hands to Blessed Virgin Mary. Let us ask intercession. Let us ask the help so that Mary will pray through us